Looks like both fighters are starting to try to establish a jab in there.
To have his father to go ahead and train him an overhand right. It was at the age of 12 where Centeno really immersed himself. Centeno's goal was to make the 2008 accomplish some of those things in which Floyd was able to do.
He was keeping him at bay very well.
And Centeno, and many are saying that that could be a candidate for...
And get him to exchange with him.
When Aleem always thrown a couple of times has Centeno.
Where he needs to be.
Gentleman of Emanuel Aleem and Anderson on the inside. He's not breaking them up right away. And a nice left hook. It is Emanuel Aleem who comes.
Dito pa lang, sinukat na. Nakaharang lang yung kanang kamay nitong si Alem.
Centeno listening to feet as he sticks that jab right there. Oh my goodness! Down goes Aleem! Aleem has been knocked senseless!
Ang layo ng pinagmula ng suntok na yun, but perfect execution. Kung kanina sinukat, ngayon naman, talaga namang ini-execute ng maigi nitong si Centeno.
This